So again, this is a continuation of the prone work, and we just did the bladder meridian, and we find our way down to the sacrum. Start with compression. And then we're going to start to work the gluteals and the hamstrings, the gastrocs, and out. So you can come to one side, and you can reach down and lift the leg so it's bent at the knee. And we're going to start loosening the gluteals, and you can do this a couple different ways. You can use the flat of your fist, leaning in the soft tissue as you roll the leg across like this. You could use your thumb to sink in, do the same thing, it's a little bit more specific. But bringing the leg across, see how the musculature rotates up towards the surface? So you can get a little bit more direct pressure. Also, I mean, that's just me, so I don't know. So you can roll in. But you can sink in this way. Sink in, and you can also bring the leg out. And that's a very good stimulation. Okay. Now that's loosening, and then you can come up and you could use your knee and do the same thing. The knee fits right in that hollow there between the lateral border of the sacrum and the greater trochanter. So you can lean in like this. That's okay? Okay, so that way. And now we want to continue down and do the hamstring. So what you're going to do is change knees, and you're going to start just below the gluteal fold, right at the ischial tuberosity. And you can use your knee this way and then just bring the leg this way. And it's really nice compression to the hamstrings using your body weight. That pressure's okay? I use this a lot on people, bigger people, where I'm thinking that my flats of my fists or my palms is just not enough pressure. Not saying that the current person I'm working on is a bigger person, but I was just using this as a demonstration. So you use the hamstrings, and then you change, and then you just come down and let the leg fall down like this. And then starting at the knee crease, just do some nice circular motion. And then one thumb on top of the other, you could work right in between the gastroc heads. And the meridian comes down and in between the lateral malleolus and the Achilles tendon, and right onto the lateral surface of the foot and right out the little toe. And then you can just bring the leg in this position again and do like I showed before with the elbow work, sinking in against the lateral border of the sacrum, in between the lateral border of the sacrum and the greater trochanter, and then right up against the lateral contour, the contour of the greater trochanter. This pressure's okay. Compression. Source point for the gallbladder meridian, right in front of the lateral malleolus indentation. Continue right into the dorsal surface of the foot and right out the fourth toe. And again, the stretch. So I showed the stretch this way. You can stretch this way. It might be easier for some people, depending on your height, if you wanted to do this. Depends on how you're acclimated to the person. And then just transition into the other side to loosen the gluteal. restaurant. And in between the Achilles tendon and the lateral malleolus, the bladder meridian goes right in there, right up against the side of the foot, right out the toe. Different, huh?